safely turn it over. Now the phonics sound like fluffy, right, Dad?
Yeah, fluffy. F.
F and F say together.
You're right.
But there's another way how we can do isn't there?
I don't know. Tell me.
So right now we gotta find the right letters to do it. Don't worry, people at home. It'll be kind of quick. Maybe I can just take them out. Do you think so, Daddy?
I do. What letter are you looking for?
I'm looking for secret letters. That means I'm not telling you what letters I'm looking for. There's this tape on my feet. I guess we have to do it. So this one has two faces, and it says, doesn't it, Dad?
Mm-hmm. PH.
Like dolphin. That has the sound, and it doesn't it?
It does. Or phone.
Or, let me think of one. And then you think of one, people at home, and then it's Daddy's turn, right, Dad? Phone. That's the people at home's turn. It's your turn.
Comment below, people at home. Mine's gonna be...
It has to have or from F and F or P and H.
And did we already say phone?
I guess it's my turn. Fluffy. What?
Fluffy. That starts with F.
Comment below what your next one is, right, Dad?
Right.
So it's your turn to think of one that has...
How about phony? Phoney.
Good. Bye.
Bye.